Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. In this series, we will be discussing how other firms, like yours, are using VerifyiQ to improve their practice.
In today's video, I would like to show you how the checklist could be used. The checklist will be found on the far right last tab named Checklist. Now this is a list of items that should be performed by either the bookkeeper or the reviewer as they are completing the review. This list of items is specific to the client, meaning it's not a global setting within VerifyiQ, so you can tailor these items to the individual client. Now, as the team has performed these tasks, they can check them off by going to the far right, clicking on the box, and then coming up to the drop-down arrow and selecting Change to Correct. That way, you will know that these items have been completed. And again, the checklist is a list of recurring items, so these items will appear every month. And it's easy to add an item by just coming down here and click on Add Item, and then type in whatever you may need. So let's say request BOA statements from client. So just enter that and then hit the enter button, and then that checklist item will be saved for all months going forward. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified of any new videos when they are released. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments box down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.